Okay, what's up guys? Now in today's video I am going to show you how to connect your Hisense Smart TV to your Bluetooth speaker using the Bluetooth. Now this is going to be a very short video and I encourage that you follow the step-by-step process. So first things first, you want to make sure that you turn on the Bluetooth speaker. I'm just going to turn on mine now.
Power on.
Okay, now the Bluetooth speaker is currently on, and then you want to make sure that you go to the Bluetooth settings in your TV. So I'm just going to take away the Bluetooth speaker now and go to the Bluetooth settings in my TV. So to go to the Bluetooth settings, you just have to go to settings from here, click on settings, go to connection, and then you can see Bluetooth at the bottom here. So once I click on OK, I can see that my Bluetooth in my TV is turned on. I'll just have to go to equipment management, and the name of my Bluetooth is BT speaker. So I am just going to click on it. Now you can see that the BT speaker is connected and the light in my Bluetooth speaker is no longer blinking. So basically it is now connected to my Bluetooth speaker. Now what I just have to do now is to try and play a movie or a music from the TV, and it will definitely play directly from the speaker. So I'm just going to do that right now. So I'm going to So you can see now that it is playing directly from my TV, from my speaker. Now you can see it is playing directly from my speaker, and anything I do will just be played from the Bluetooth speaker. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.